Marketing. What is this digital marketing? Why this topic is booming in the market nowadays? Why the companies are spending lots of amount? Why they are building the team? Why they are creating campaigns for that? What is this digital marketing? This topic. My dear friends, my name is Abhishek. I am your host and friend. Today I am going to discuss what is this digital marketing and how we are going to do this digital marketing and how we can do digital marketing for our own website or our client's website, or how we can give on any particular website a digital presence. The technique to rank a website is called a website ranking. And what is this website ranking? If you are a technical guy, then obviously you get to know, like, okay, fine, what is website ranking? But if you are not a technical guy, then it is very difficult to know what is website ranking, what is digital marketing, what is this all. My dear friends, actually we know this digital marketing, the same solution with different names. Someone say it is digital marketing, someone say it is SEO, someone say SMM, etc. So these all keywords related to digital marketing only. And there is no rocket science, my dear friends, where you can spend the amount and your website is got ranked. It is not possible actually. And many people, many companies take advantage of this because we don't know what is digital marketing. So when you reach a digital marketing company or a digital marketing guy, they will say some technical words, for example, SEO, SMM, etc. Okay, so you don't know what is this actually. Okay, so today I am going to discuss I am going to tell you like how we can do this digital marketing and how we can rank our own website, as well as how it is beneficial for our company, and whatever that I am going to tell you in different small sessions. Let's start with a small few examples. For example, when we search in Google or any browser, okay, for example, we search online buy mobile or buy online mobile. So what happened, my dear friends? We got some results. What are those results? Actually, if we are using mobile phone, if we are using laptop, desktops, whatever we are using, the scenario is everywhere we have some search engines. For example, if you are using Google Chrome, so there is Google search engine. If you are using Microsoft Edge, so there is a Bing search engine, or etc. In India, generally it is using Google Chrome and Google search engine, because mainly people in India, they are using Android mobile phones. In the Android mobile phones, there is a search engine called Google search engine. So what happened? Whenever we search this online mobile buy or buy online mobile or these kind of any keywords, the combination of any keyword, if you guys have searched on the Google, so immediately they respond to you with some 5, 6, 10 results. It's very faster actually. If you think it is very faster, they will give you a response. So what are the responses are there? Reliance Digital, Amazon, Flipkart, or any other websites. Why this all? We haven't searched for this. We haven't searched Flipkart, we haven't searched Amazon, we haven't searched Reliance Digital or any other website. In fact, we haven't put this keyword on this particular search. We only search with the keyword that is buy mobile online or online buy mobile, best smartphone buy, these kind of keyword. But these all the websites already it suggests on the Google, suggest like, okay fine, you can purchase the mobile phone from Amazon, from Reliance Digital, from Flipkart, whatever. But we haven't searched. The reason behind this is the company called Amazon, Flipkart, Reliance Digital, they have done a very good digital marketing for their own website. So that's why they have created a very good digital brand presence. So that's why it is ranking very good in the Google search result. This is called ranking means if the website, if anyone search related to your service or product, and it will come on the Google search, so obviously you will get the business. So that business or that search result, you can say that a website ranking. So my dear friends, I am going to tell you each and every details, each and every points using some small sessions and lessons. Okay, like how you can do the digital marketing for your own self, and there is nothing to invest more on this. In fact, you don't have to spend more on this. You have to only spend your time. There is no cost for this. You can do the digital marketing, and as well as there are lots of benefits also. Of this digital marketing. For example, I'll tell you, you can save cost, you can target the audience, you can target the age group, you can track your audience. Basically, what is this? What happened in the traditional marketing? In the traditional marketing, what happened? You give the advertisement to the newspaper, hoarding, whatever. So what happened? Once you give the advertisement to the newspapers or hoarding or anywhere, so it target a city, at least a city. If you are talking about very compressed manner, so it target a city. So what happened? You spend lots of amount to target a city, which may be effective, which may not be effective. You are in the dilemma. But if you go with the digital marketing technique, so what happened? You know your target group, which age group wants this product and like this project most, first of all. Second thing, you can target the geographical area. You don't want to advertise on the complete city, so you can specify a particular coordinates and you can target that particular city or that particular you can say colony, not colony, I'm not talking about it, a very small term. So you can target a particular small area. For example, a city called Delhi. In the Delhi, there is something called Central Delhi, South Delhi, North Delhi, these all. So if you want to target only South Delhi, you can target South Delhi only. So like that, you can reduce your cost, as well as you can also track how many people views your ads or your campaign. So this is also a benefit things. In traditional marketing, what happened? We don't have any idea, like how many people have seen our websites, how many people have checked our advertisement or whatever. But in digital marketing, it is not like that. You can get that benefit also. So my dear friends, for today, I'm going to close off here only. And from next sessions onwards, I'm going to tell you each and every detail of digital marketing. I will explain each and everything related to digital marketing from end to end, and using this you can start your career, as well as you can do digital marketing for your own website, as well as you can create your clients, you can do digital marketing for your client website, you can create your own website, own company also using this sessions, as well as you can do freelancing also. Okay, so my dear friends, thank you. I'm closing off here. Please write your comment, suggestions, feedbacks, whatever you want to know about digital marketing. If you have any query, anything you want to know, you have anything curiosity in your mind, like how these all things rank, how these all things works, you can please comment me on this channel, using this channel, using comment box. I will try to rectify all your solutions, as well as I can also suggest you on your business, like how you can do the digital marketing for your business. Please share your comment, feedbacks. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.